Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how can you convert any SVG icon into 3D object. But before we continue, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel because most of you are watching my videos without subscriptions. So let's go. Open Blender and first you need to do, go to Edit, Preferences, and make sure that you enable this add-on Scalable Vector Graphics. The next step, go to File, Import, and here you will have Scalable Vector Graphics SVG. So press it, load your icon, and now what you need to do, select this all and make one of objects active and convert to mesh. Now you can press tab and you can extrude it, so your object will be ready. You can now play with some materials, so remove this one and create another one and Control L and link materials to object. You can now add different materials, add shade smooth or shade after smooth, and play with your 3D object. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope it was very useful for you, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.